Getting the error, there is a problem with your game's setup. Please reinstall your game when launching FC26. You are in the right spot. These quick fixes will help you resolve it and get back to playing. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are solving a common FC26 setup issue that's stopping players from launching the game. Let's get straight into the solutions. Method 1. Repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat for FC26. There is a problem with your game's setup. Please reinstall your game's error message is mostly related to with the game's installation or the EA anti-cheat system. So you can repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat for FC26. To do that, go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder, then open it. Now double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select the game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the location where the game is installed and select the folder. Then click on Select Folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on Install button to install the anti-cheat. It will also get reinstalled when you try to run the game next time. Method 2. Run FC26 with administrative privileges. The next thing you can do is give administrative privileges to the game. The game files may need administrative privileges to run. To do that, right-click on the application you are using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 3. End all the EA processes and restart. When you are getting an error while launching FC26, first of all, try restarting the EA app. From the EA app, click on the 3 horizontal line menu and select Exit. Next, also open Task Manager using the search menu. Then head to the Processes tab. Right-click on the EA app and select the End Task option. Then restart your PC. After a fresh restart, relaunch the game and check. If you are playing the game from Steam, then you can restart Steam and check. Method 4. Check the EA server status. Sometimes due to server outage, you can get such an error while playing FC26. So check the game server status here and see if there is any problem or if the server is under maintenance. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 5. Install the Visual C++ redistributables. Next, you can install the Visual C++ redistributables. What you need to do is search Visual C++ redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We also have provided the link in the description so you don't have to search. Download the Visual current C++ redistributables available. Remember to download the correct architecture like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the game and the issue should be fixed. Method 6. Install DirectX. Another thing you can do is install DirectX. Type in DirectX on Google and click on the top option for Microsoft. You can also click on the link given in the description. Download the DirectX setup file and after the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the downloading process or follow as shown. Make sure to uncheck Bing bar box. Let the installation process complete. After it is complete, restart your PC and then try to launch the game. Method 7. Launch another game. You can also try launching another game and check if you are getting the same error. If you do not have any other game installed, try installing a free EA game. Basically, other EA games can install the necessary files to run the FC26 game that didn't install with the FC installation. After installing the game, play it for some time and then close it. Now launch FC26 once again and see if the issue is fixed. Method 8. Check the integrity of game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause errors like this. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files on Steam. Open Steam Library, right-click on the FC26 and open its properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing files or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 9. Update Windows. Another thing you can do is update Windows. Type check for updates in the search bar and select the top result. Click on check for updates and wait for the Windows to check for the latest available updates. Download and install the updates. Once done, restart your PC. Method 10. Update the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search automatically for the drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on the graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for the NVIDIA graphics driver, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 11. Run the game on a dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics-intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing FC26. There are different ways to check if you are running the dedicated graphics card, depending on your operating system and the specific card you have. You can follow the method shown here. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here, one for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. Method 12. Disable Firewall. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with the game and create problems like this. So you can temporarily disable Firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable Firewall and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Ensure you disable Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next USE prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Method 13. Close the unnecessary processes running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the apps you want to close. Select End Task. Once done, relaunch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Method 14. Reinstall the game. If the method shown could not fix the issue, then reinstall the game. To do so, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Open Apps and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive or SSD. Now launch the game and check. Method 15. Avoid overclocking and update BIOS. Overclocking the system can boost performance, but sometimes it can crash the system, especially while playing games like FC26. So you can disable overclocking while playing the game. To do that, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take the help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings, then select System. Select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then this can also be why you are having issues while playing FC26. Each motherboard is different, so go through the manual for your motherboard to know how to update your BIOS. Follow the instructions to complete updating BIOS. After updating BIOS, you should not get the error. Method 16. Contact the EA support team. If the method shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix there is a problem with your game's setup. Please reinstall your games while launching FC26. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.